Hello guys, welcome to Davehenzy Tech. Today I'll be going to show you guys how to make screenshots on your Windows laptop, whether you're using Windows 7, whether you're using Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows 10 or Windows 11. I'll be showing you guys how to make the screenshots. Now I'm going to show you two different ways to do it, the fast way and the easy way. Now peradventure some system might have print screen. If you don't have print screen on your laptop, let me show you what you're going to do. But if you have print screen, we are going to take the first step. So without wasting time, I'm going to show you what print screen is on your keyboard. Let me show you. So this is print screen. So this is print screen. So this button you're saying, if you check your laptop or your keyboard, you're going to see something like this. When you see this is one of the key we are going to be pressing. Then you press it alongside. With this button. So you're going to press window, this window button, and print screen. When you do that, it's going to take a screenshot. Let me show you. Let me just do window and print screen. So you can see there is a dark, my screen went dark a little bit. Just watch it. Let me do it again. Window, print screen, and that's it. 1 2 3 boom. So that's it. Let me show you where. As soon as you do that, you have that blank screen. Some laptop will not show you a blank screen. Then you come down to your pictures. When you come to pictures on your laptop, then you go to screenshots. You see something in the folder like this, screenshots. Inside the folder, you can see the 3 screenshots I took just now. These are the screenshots. So you can see it captured my whole laptop, my whole view area of my laptop. So this is it. That's the first way. If you don't, peradventure you don't have this print button on your screen, on your keyboard, so laptop you don't have external keyboard to do that. We are going to do the default one that comes with Windows 8, Windows 7 and Windows 10, whichever version of Windows you're using, but definitely not SP, Windows SP. So all you need to do is to press this window button here, then or you come to the search bar, you look for snipping tools. This is it. You click on snipping tools. So snipping tools is one of the software that comes with Windows that you can use to snap your screen. Now this is the window you are going to see. Let me just pop it up. Now this is the shortcut. You press the window button plus shift button and the S button. You're going to take a shot. Now let me just maximize it. So now if you want to take a new screenshot, you press Ctrl N. That's the shortcut. Then this one to snap. Why this is to take a video. This is to take a video. So I'll come to the snap. This video can only work if your laptop supports the video version to record with your laptop. So let me show you. So you can see currently I can't record with this. That's why it's showing dark gray. Now with this, now we can choose the mode we want to snap with. If we want to snap with rectangular mode, window mode, full screen or freeform mode. I'm going to take the 4 types of pictures now. I've currently selected the rectangular mode. Then I'll click this to take a new shot. Let me minimize it a little bit. So you can see now this our cursor is not having a cross. It means we can draw a shape to a particular position we want to snap. Let's assume I want to snap just this icon part of my desktop. I'll just drag it, I'll press right or left click and drag it to cover the exact area I want to snap, then leave it to take the shot. When it takes the shot, it's going to come up on paint, snipping paint. Let me minimize it down so you can see I have a custom snapshot. Now let's take another one. I'm not going to save. If you want to save it, you just come down here and click on save to save for you. But I'm not going to do that, so I'm coming here. So this is it. It's asking me to save. Let me just save it on this picture folder, and wherever I've saved. Now window mode, which means the particular window you open, that is the shot it's going to take. Let me show you one trick. Let's assume I want to snap these windows. That comes up now. Let me minimize it a little bit. Drag it down here. Very good. Bring it to the center. So I'll just press my print screen. I'll put it on what? I'm going to put it on window mode. So you can either change it here. This is the full screen, this is the window mode, and this is the freelance mode. So I'm going to put it on window mode. So you can see to take our shots for us, and to come up, so you can see it takes the entire window. We can still take another mode, take a new one. Then I'm going to take the hand free mode. This hand free mode, I'm going to draw. I'm just going to draw. Let's see. That's the part is going to snap. We're going to see it now. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please, so you can see just that part that I selected. That is the part it took. And can you guess? I believe you already know what the full mode will do. The full mode will take the entire screen. If you have noticed, this one took the down part of my screen, which is this part, while the other mode, the window mode, will take only these windows, this desktop background down to this corner and up. It will not take this down part. So that's that. Those are the ways you can take a screenshot of your laptop. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more video. If this is your first time watching any of my video, thanks and bye for now.